Hello, friends. I have something exciting to share with you today. If you're on the hunt for a high quality product with glowing reviews and tons of happy customers, look no further. This product is a top recommendation for anyone who wants the very best. Why choose this product? It's built to last, has thousands of positive reviews with incredible ratings of 4.8 to 5.0, and is a proven bestseller. Interested? Click the link in the description to learn more. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more amazing finds. Thank you and happy shopping. Hello, friends. I have something exciting to share with you today.